Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from today I am starting a series where I will tell you about my POV after reading a particular book. Mind you guys, ये कोई भी review series नहीं है. यहाँ पे बस मैं अपने मन की बातें कहूँगी that how I felt after reading a particular book. Anyone who talks about Godan always talks about Hori, but for me it's quite different. Hear me out before you judge me. So when I finished reading this book, Hori wasn't the character that I kept thinking about. For me it was Dhanya. Why? At first I didn't like Dhanya much because she seemed a very rude, blunt and a woman who is always angry. But as I kept reading this book, I realized that she is one of the most strongest women that I have met in literature. And what amazed me about Dhanya wasn't the fact that she was fearless, the fact that whom she chose to be fearless against. She stood against the powerful ones, the village elders, and even her own family members whenever she believed that something was wrong. And that made me realize that, yeah, she is the woman who can stand against anyone when it comes to her children, to her family. And then we'll talk about Jhunya. धनिया हैज लिटरली एवरी रीजन टू टर्न हर अवे. अगर धनिया चाहती तो वो झुनिया को वापस भेज सकती थी, बट उसने ऐसा नहीं किया. शी स्टूड बाय हर, शी प्रोवाइडेड हर शेल्टर, शी प्रोटेक्टेड हर फ्रॉम हर ओन फादर, फ्रॉम हर ओन ब्रदर्स, एंड शी प्रोटेक्टेड हर फ्रॉम द होल विलेजर्स. Even when all the villagers were asking her to throw her away, and just like, why are you keeping her in your house, etc., etc., she stood by her decision and never let anyone told her what to do and what not to do. So I like the fact about Dhanya that, yeah, she was standing on her decisions. She was not getting manipulated by anyone. And also she supported Celia when all the villagers were looking down upon her. She supported Celia. उसने Celia को रहने के लिए घर दी, छत दी, उसको अपने एक परिवार का हिस्सा बनाया, जो कि लोग नहीं करते हैं. When the society was expecting women to stay shut, Dhanya refused to. And the most amazing part is she stood by her husband also. Although Hori humiliated her and Hori was not agreeing, Hori agree नहीं करता था उससे हर एक बात पे. She was not agreeing with her. But still she stood by Hori. जब situation बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे unbearable बन गई, she was still standing with Hori. She was still supporting Hori. सो आई मीन लाइक व्हाट अ कैरेक्टर. प्रेमचंद जी ने क्या कैरेक्टर लिखा है कि हाँ भाई, जब पूरी दुनिया आपके अगेंस्ट जा रही है, दैट वुमन इज स्टिल स्टैंडिंग बाय यू. और जब उसको आपकी जरूरत है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग होरी इज अ बैड कैरेक्टर. Personally, I have loved Hori because he was a great brother, he was a great, villager, वो समाजवादी था, he was a great husband. But yeah, at some points जब उसे support करना चाहिए था धनिया को, उन्होंने नहीं किया. So I didn't like that fact. And also when I finished reading this book, it wasn't just a character. मैं बस एक character को ही पसंद नहीं करती रह गई. जब मैंने ये book खत्म किया, I literally appreciating little things about my life, like the things which is very normal to us, like a shelter, a good clothes and 3 times meal. जिन चीज़ों को हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे what should I say, जिन चीज़ों को हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब underrated रखते, जिनको हम appreciate नहीं करते. This book will teach you to be grateful towards your life. This book will teach you literal meaning of food, of money. मतलब जो चीज़ें हमारे लिए बेसिक है, वो इस बुक में एक लग्जरी है. खाना पीना, रहने की जगह, बेसिक चीज़ें, वो इस बुक में लग्जरी दिखाई गई है. सो या, इट वाज नेवर अबाउट धनिया. आई मीन इट वाज अबाउट धनिया. आई एम कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग माई ओन स्टेटमेंट. फॉर मी दिस बुक वाज अबाउट धनिया एंड अबाउट द फैक्ट कि guys, let's just please appreciate our lives. We always complain this and that, ye wo job nahi mila, etc., etc., but just read this book. I will not say that this book will change me because every influencer out there is saying the same thing. I will not say that this book is changed me. But yeah, this book gave me a reason to be a little grateful about my life, about the things which I own. And also I would say that Dhanya, I love you. Because I don't know, I just liked Dhanya, but that doesn't mean I didn't like Hori. I just love this book, and if you are planning to read this book, just go for it. This is a very, very, very nice book. Yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.